Hello, and thank you for joining us again today. This training session will include review and management of your general ledger chart of accounts. The administrative area of agency systems, as you have seen in other of our videos, is found under Profiles. We can click on Profiles and then General Ledger. As with other areas of the system, you can use the first, previous, next, and last buttons to scroll through the list. If you hit Search, you get the entire list. This list can be sorted by clicking on the headings, number, code, or name. And this feature is very convenient when trying to find a specific item. The code is an alpha code lookup or filter used in other areas of the system when you begin creating checks or cash transactions. We suggest printing the list. In order to do that, hit Print. Sort by number and hit Accept. This will now show a preview list of the general ledger accounts that we provide for you. Please note that the 1000 series is set up for assets. The 2000 series are liability and a few capital accounts. The 4000 series are assigned for income accounts, 5000 series for selling expenses, and 6000 series for administrative expenses. Some codes have sub-GL codes, such as 1100, which you can see here as cash and bank. And the sub-GL default would be the bank. You would know these things if you have already set up under Profile Bank. The information that you put in here is automatically integrated into the accounting system. The same holds true for client, company, and producer. In order to print this list, you want to come to Printer Setup, choose your printer at source, and hit Print. Or you can export the information. Choose the format you wish it to show up in, and where. Once you have printed this list, we recommend that you highlight or circle accounts that are required accounts for agency systems. These required accounts should not be deleted as they are critical to the accounting function. Required accounts are 1100, 1120, 1130, 2110, 2120, 2130, 2140, 4110, 4120, 5108, and 5109. I've made a highlighted copy of these required accounts that are also available for printing at www.mynewtoneducation.com. A link has been provided for you under this video screen. If you decide to change any of these accounts, you will need to change your profile under Agency Setup. Agency Setup, Accounting. These are the numbers here that you would change. You cannot delete codes without calling our support team because you get this screen here. And there's a code that changes every 24 hours. If you do decide that you want to delete a code, please feel free to call our support team at 979-260-9702 and hit option 3. But instead, we also like to offer that you could edit the existing name of the codes if you choose, such as petty cash. It can be changed to something else if you want to use that code, as long as it's a current asset default. You can edit the name and alpha code. The same applies for any of the non-required accounts. To add a new account, simply choose Add. We suggest that you follow the numbering system for assets, liability, and expense so that it does not become confusing. The alpha code is automatically generated for you. And then it's up to you to choose the GL type, GL subtype, whether or not there's a sub-account and what type, and so on. And then hit Save. We recommend sending a chart of accounts to your CPA for advice on editing and adding any accounts. And this concludes the review of the chart of accounts. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at www.mynewtoneducation.com.